sure.
Oy, crush mo, itula kita dyan eh.
Oo, kasi ang cute-cute niya. Grabe
Cute talaga siya, kaya lang may nagmamay-ari sa kanya.
Ano ba
Oo.
yan?
Anong break na? Kayo talaga? Nauna nyo pang malaman?
Hoy, tigil-tigilan nyo nga yan.
Hindi sila
Sobrang
breaking
close
the
babae
break.
at lalaki, friend lang. Ano to?
Hindi, sabi break daw.
Ha?
Oo.
Ano break?
Oo, popsters. O, galit na galit. O, sige. Sige, diyan ka.
Sabunutan mo yan, nasa likod mo.
Doon ka sa barangay magpaliwanag. Syempre, eto nakakatawa, katulong ako dito sa Bell.
Aha.
Tandaan mo, sa Inday Bote, boss ko to.
Tama. At saka ito yung ito yung guy na napakabait.
Sobra.
Sobrang understanding na tuklasan ko.
Super.
Tsaka alam mo, actually, ganun talaga siguro pag sobra mo at totoo mong mahal ang isang tao.
Oo.
Siguro talagang matatanggap mo at magagawa mo ang mga bagay na imposible para sa iba.
Para sa isa yung lalaki.
Oo.
So magagalit na siya sa atin kasi kinukwento na natin sila.
Wala ako sinasabing iba.
Yung mga napagkwentuhan natin backstage. Ladies and gentlemen, please watch this!
He started his career as a race model and in 2010 got a boost in his career when he was cast in the hit TV serye Agua Bendita. From then on, wala nang makakapigil sa kapamilya hunk na ito from reaching the top. Mga kapamilya, ang fit na fit at in love, Mr. Mateo Guidicelli.
Tama kami, wala kami sinabi na sa
Hi, London. There's a look in your eyes, must be love at first sight. You were part of a dream, nothing more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration, with just one breath you take my breath away. So hold me close, and you'll stay with me now. You know this song? The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. This time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Just a little smile, a special smile, the twinkle in your eye, you know it's so wild. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll get closer. You and I. Kumusta kayo, London? Oo naman? So much stronger than before. You were just part of a dream, so much more, so it seems. I guess I found the inspiration. It's just one breath, you take my breath away. So hold me close, and you'll stay with me now. Can you guys sing all together? Let's sing. Louder, louder. Get to touch you. Give it time, just a little more time. We can get closer. It's a smile, a special smile. The twinkle in your eye, it's so wild. Give it time, just a little more time. We can get closer. You and I. Ay, diplomats. What up, everybody? How's everybody in the back? You and I. Closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. sing You and I. Ready? You I love you too. Good afternoon, London. How's everybody doing?
Fine!
Okay naman kayo lahat? Hindi naman mainit?
Init! Oh.
Ayos. Diyan sa likod, okay naman kayo sa likod? Nakasakay na kayo ng mga rides? Di ba? Ayaw nyo? Later.
Kasama
Ano?
ko sa ampi.
Okay, I'll tell her. I'll tell her. Anong sasabihin ko? Okay. From me, not from you. Okay naman kayo lahat?
Yes!
I'm sure everybody watches TFC.
Yes!
Everybody subscribes to TFC. Everybody?
Yes!
Napanood nyo pa yung Inday Bote? Nagustuhan nyo ba? Sino kasama ko? Ano Lola? Sabi mo ewan? Ano ba? Sabi ko, sino kasama ko doon? Ewan. Si Sarah?
Yes!
Hindi. Si Alex Gonzaga. Ano? Si Tart, yung katulong. Katulong doon. Si Tart, kilala ka kaya to.
Sobra kayo. Husga.
Pero, sexy ba si Tart? Ah, sarap ka daw, Tart.
Ano ba? Maliit na bagay.
Can I sing one more song?
Yes!
Do you know this? Sing with me, okay? English song this time. Saturday morning, jumped out of bed to put on my best suit. Got in your car and raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with my heart in hand to ask a simple question, 'cause I know you are an old-fashioned man. You sing? Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? I say I'll never get the blessing till I tough like a muffin. The answer's still no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that girl. We'll be a family. Can I have this? You gotta be so rude. Ang ganda naman, Tagalog. Ang ganda niya naman. Come here. Selfie muna tayo. Ikaw naman. Ay, dog. Selfie muna tayo dito, ha? Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, say yes, yes I need you. You say I'll never get the blessing till I took out of my feet. The answer's still no. Sa kapila mo na, ay, picture mo tayo. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know you so bad? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. I'll be a family. Marry that girl. Sing. Why you gotta be so Hey man. Okay? Are you drinking? Why you gotta be so rude? Everybody sing with me. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get the blessing till I suffer like a muffin. The answer's still no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that Thank you. Ma'am. Ano na, ma'am? Alika na dito sa stage. Huwag hinihintay mo siya. Hi, ma'am. Sexy naman ni madam, oh. Kompetensya ni Tart. Ma'am, sarap-sarap naman, ma'am. Can I sing you a song?
No?
Can I sing you a song? But you have to wear this. You have to wear what I have right now.
Yes!
But I can be more inspired. Okay, promise? But don't look at them first.
Ay,
Face them.
bakit? Bakit?
Kasi kompetensya mo, nagpakikita.
Ay,
Sexy din si madam.
Kompetensya ko ba siya?
Come here, ma'am.
Ay,
Okay.
ang arte mo, te.
You have to wear this, okay? But don't show them yet. Secret yet. Wag mo muna. Diyan ka muna. Okay. Hindi pa nila alam kung sino ka. Ah, sige, remove your shades. Ayan. Wag mo pakita.
Nako.
Surprise yan.
Hindi bagay sa katawan.
Okay. Wag mo, diyan ka muna.
Ito na nga ako.
Sexy naman ni madam, ha? I have a song for you. Do you guys know this? Sing with me.
Harap ka lang dito.
Don't look.
Don't look.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm in your magical mystery ride. And I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. Turn around, 'cause all of me loves. Come here, hug me, Sarah. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose you. 'Cause I give you all. Sarap-sarap. May asawa ka na ba? Single? Okay. Can you be my Sarah for now? I give you all of me. And you give you all of you. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down and around through every move. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing my ear for you. My head's underwater, I'm breathing fine. You sing, you're crazy and I'm London. Can I sing so I can emote? Sing. Sing. Kiss naman. No one had to know it. I give you all to me. I give you all to me. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of you. Yeah, sure. And you give me all of you. Can you sing? And you give me all of you. Oh, thank you. Thank you, London.
Thank you.
Salamat din. You guys have Instagram, Facebook,
Yes!
Twitter?
Yes!
Follow me?
Yes!
Do you know my Instagram?
Yes!
Promise? Pina-follow mo ba ako?
Of course!
Okay.
Lola, pina-follow niyo ako? Baka mamaya sasabihin mo, ewan ha. Simula. First of all, thank you very much, TFC, for inviting me. Maraming salamat. Barrio Fiesta sa London. Thank you very much. You guys having fun? You guys having a good time?
Yes.
You guys gonna watch London? London. London tuloy. ASAP London? Everybody in the back? Are you gonna come back tomorrow for Sir Chief, Zanjo, Bea, everybody else? But no, ma'am. Uwi ka na?
Oo, uwi na kami.
Sweet niyo namang dalawa. Kiss nga. Lips to lips naman dyan. Sige na. Ayan, sarap naman. Can I sing one more song before I go home?
Yes.
Meron ka bang feeling na mahal na mahal mo yung taong yan, pero wala siya dito, pero kailangan mo talaga siya? Meron? Ako meron. Ito. Thank you for this, ma'am. Diplomats, thank you very much for coming. Thank you, London.
Alam niya,
Sing with me, okay?
Anak ay kuya mo, inano kami.
Sa piling lang nadarama ang tunay na pagsinta. Pagyakap ko siya ng maigpit, parang ako nasa langit. Minsan lang ako nakadama ng ganito, pagmamahal na hindi magbago pa ako. At habang buhay na ipaglalaban ko, kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan kong malaman na ikaw naman ang tunay kong minamahal. At lagi kong hiling makapiling ka lagi.
Lola, alam niyo po to? Sabay-sabay tayo ha? Love you too, mahal. Kiss mo nga si mahal. Si Lola. Ayan, ito muna. Picture tayo. Thank you.
Minsan lang ako nakadama ng ganito, pagmamahal na hindi magbabago. At habang buhay na ipaglalaban ko, London City, kailangan ko siya ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan ko malaman na ikaw naman ang tunay kong minamahal. At lagi kong dinasal. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan kong malaman na ikaw naman ang tunay kong minamahal. At lagi kong hiling ay makapiling siya lagi. Kasi kailangan.
One more time. Ready? Everybody sing together. Ready?
Kailangan
God bless you guys. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Yeah! Nakadyan ka lang?
Dito lang ako.
Grabe ka, Mateo. Sobra ka. Ang husay-husay mo.
Si Tart.
Nakikita ko doon.
Nanonood kami sa TV.
Ang sexy nung dalawa.
Mukha kang angel sa TV. Kailangan talaga.
Sobra si ate.
Ayan, oh. Sige ba?
Ikaw, aabangan ka namin sa labas.
Nakakita ka lang ng cleavage dito.
Kota ka.
Ay, palakpakan niyo naman ang amo kong pinakagwapo. Diyos ko
Thank
naman.
you.
Nako, ibang klase talaga, o, di ba? Ewan ko ba, Mateo, kung ba't ganito nangyayari sa relationship? Ano ba? Lagi na lang bang ganito?
Meron na akong kwento para sa inyo.
Sandali.
May kwento.
Ano nangyayari dyan?
Ikot lang.
Ayan.
Ikaw, Tart, yung boyfriend mo na hindi na may nililigawan si Tart dito 2 years ago. Pabalik
Ayan.
niya, may asawa na eh.
He's the one.
Ay, he's the one.
Hey, Lee. Lee,
Please,
can you wave your hand? Oh,
Lee, can you show yourself to everybody? Say hi.
he's Lee.
Nililigawan niya dati, pero ngayon may asawa na daw.
I left him 2 years ago, and I told him now that I came back for him.
Anong sabi
But
niya?
he's got a wife already who's pregnant. Sad to say.
Kinukuha ka kanina, di ba? Hoy,
Sobra
kasi
ka.
sandali lang kanina, arte mo, pakiulit. Ano?
Ay, kasi lagi na lang tayo nagpapaikot-ikot lang.
Hoy, sa mga pabebe lang yan.
Oh, bakit?
Oo, hindi ka mukhang pabebe doon.
Ano?
Oo, para kang may sakit. Tigilan mo na yan, Doris. Alam mo naman talaga kanina pa kung sino una niyang binate nung nakita niya ako. Ako kaya talaga gusto niya.
Oh, sabi niya, Madam Auring, sabi niya.
Hindi ako manghuhula ngayon, ha? Tigilan mo ako.
Ano ka ba? Diyos ko, kasama ko kasi siya sa Inday Bote for the longest time.
Ikaw rin.
Oo. My God. Ako,
Sabi nilang sexy mo daw doon.
totoo ba?
Oo.
Tell that to Lee. Lee. Oh, you know already, right? Ano ka ba? Nako, bukod dyan, abangan natin si Mateo. Dahil kasi, alam na alam ninyo na may IPTV box tayo.
Tama. Meron na ba kayo lahat IPTV? Wala pa? Ngayon, may booth tayo dyan.
Punta kayo sa
Tama.
booth.
At dahil dyan, of course,
If you want to watch yung
Oo.
Inday Bote,
Oo.
simulan nyo ulit, balikan nyo.
mula sa umpisa hanggang matapos, wala kayong mamimiss. Lagi nyo makikita ang malanghel na pagmumukha ni Mateo, syempre.
And of course, also mga Star Cinema movies that you wanna watch, they're all gonna be there also, so you can just get the IPTV and then lahat nandiyan na, sulit
Oh
na.
my God.
Tama. Sobrang sulit ang IPTV TV Box kasi nga unang-una, bukod dyan, pwede rin po kayong bumili ng mga tickets sa sinihan sa inyong IPTV Box.
Totoo ba?
Nakakaloka ang mga features.
Grabe. Talaga. Kasi naman, ang IPTV box natin ay meron pong wallet
Anong
feature. Wallet feature. You
Okay.
can use your IPTV box, just the remote control. Then you can, like charge it to your card. And, ano yan?
Wala! Binigay ko nga kasi may
And guys, we also have very, very good news. You know, mga pamilya, you can also now enjoy your favorite Star Cinema movies by purchasing tickets right there at the comfort of your home. So, ibig sabihin, sa bahay mo mismo, pwede kang bumili ng mga tickets.
Totoo
Stage.
yan. At meron ding chance na pag ano ba, katulad ng boxing.
Oh,
Gusto mo
doon din.
pay-per-view.
Ay, totoo yan.
You can buy it through your wallet sa ating IPTV box.
Nice.
Bukod sa pay-per-view, pwede ka rin mag-renew ng subscription.
Correct.
Lahat yan via the wallet feature ng TFC IPTV.
Correct. At least original, malinaw at hindi magbabuffer. Hindi mo na kailangan ng pirated sites.
Nako, oo nga, wala talagang kwenta yung mga pirated sites na yan. And take note, hindi talaga siya safe puntahan. May virus.
Tama po. Sana po we're not gonna watch mga pirated stuff dahil alam po natin lahat illegal yan. At sana po suportahan niyo po yung industry namin sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? So, yun, sa IPTV you can get everything there very, very cheaper and cheaper prices, 'di ba? So,
Correct.
yun po.
True. At syempre, dito sa Barrio Fiesta, bukod sa sineselebrate natin ang pagpapatuloy ng galing ng Pilipino, nagtitipon-tipon din po tayo para siguraduhin natin ang magandang kinabukasan para sa ating mga pamilya. Di ba lahat naman tayo, kaya tayo kumakayod para sa mga loved ones natin sa Pinas, tama?
Tama naman yan. At sa bawat kinikita namin, nating lahat, namin kasi, I've been working here for 2 days. That's right. Siyempre, bibigyan natin ng percentage ng mga pamilya natin sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, paano yung ipapadala na, yan, Yes. Paano mo ipapadala yung pera mo na siguradong matatanggap nila?
Paano?
Oo, syempre, di sa MyRemit Online. Doon na natin ipadala. Oo, dahil sa MyRemit Online, you can remit anytime, anywhere, 24/7. Visit and register ang ating www.tfcmyremit-global.com.
Ayan. At dahil dyan, eto ha, sure na sure ako na magaganap, ha? Sabihin, after ASAP, syempre, next year magaganap ang halalan.
Yes.
Alam mo
Malaking
yan.
bagay yan, 2016.
Correct, totoo. At syempre, importante rin ang mga opinyon ng mga taong nandito, Mateo.
Tama.
Diba? And to help us out at para magpaliwanag and to answer some questions, let me call our Philippine Embassy representative, Miss Christina Sale. Christine Sale.
Yan. Applause,
Hi,
everyone. Miss Christine, dito daw tayo sa medyo mas unahan.
Oo.
ang tawag dito hosting / sunbiring. Yan.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello po.
Good afternoon sa inyong lahat and happy 31st celebration of the Barrio Fiesta in London.
Manami ka yan.
Yes, si Madam napaka-energetic.
Ah, may beer
Good day, Madam. May ilang questions lang po kami. Una, bilang mga British citizens, na mga ilan po dito ngayon sa Barrio Fiesta, paano po ba kaya sila makakaboto pa sa Pilipinas?
Well, kung British citizen na kayo, hindi kayo syempre makakaboto sa Pilipinas kasi ang basic requirements to be able to vote is to be a Filipino citizen and to be at least 18 years old. So, but of course, pwede pa rin naman kayong bumoto kung mag-apply kayo for dual citizenship. And I think alam naman ng halos lahat dito na pwede kayong mag-apply to be a dual
Pwede ba
citizen.
pa-picture?
How do we do that, ma'am? How do we apply to become a dual citizenship? To have dual citizenship?
Okay, pupunta lang naman sila sa Philippine Embassy and you can download our forms sa website namin which is londonpe.dfa.gov.ph. Ipipresenta lang nyo lang sa amin yung inyong mga documents which is your NSO birth certificate, your old Philippine passport, and your British oath of your British certificate of oath of citizenship, and finally kung meron kayong British passport, pati yung British passport yun.
Eh kung Philippine passport naman po, paano po naman kayo? Para magising si Madam, ayun nga po kung Philippine passport, paano naman po makakatulong sa ating bayan kahit malayo po?
Okay. Well, kung Filipino citizen na kayo, wala naman kayong ibang kailangan gawin but to just go to the Philippine Embassy and just present your Philippine passport kasi Filipino nga kayo. Kaya pwede kayong mag-apply for overseas absentee voting, which is for free, by the way. You don't have to pay anything just to register. I would like to take note na yung registration natin hanggang October 31 na lang. Kaya pakiusap na lang natin sa inyo na hindi pa nag-a-apply for overseas absentee voting to please register. And actually, pwede pang magdagdag kasi yung iba pala sa inyo, baka naka-register na kayo. Kung naka-register na kayo at naka-register na kayo sa Philippines, kailangan nyo lang mag-fill in ng change of residence form at isasubmit nyo lang sa amin sa embassy.
Yung palang, konti lang ang gagawin, ha?
Oo. Hindi, tsaka maging Pilipino ka lang, pasok ka na sa banga.
Tama.
Oo, diba?
At yan yung kung talagang gusto mong magkaroon ng bahagi sa kung ano man ang pagbabagong pwedeng maganap sa bayan mo, bakit hindi ka naman mag-exert ng konting effort?
Correct.
Exactly.
Tama.
Correct. Tama yan. Oo, kasi syempre dapat ipangako natin na ipapanalo natin ang ating pamilya, ang bawat pamilyang Pilipino. And syempre, eto, to tell us more about it, kasama natin ngayon ang Managing Director ng ABS-CBN Europe, Middle East, and Africa, Miss Kai Rodriguez. Come on, Miss Kai.
Hello